Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot na may swimming pool at fully furnished na? Almost brand new pa, kaya personal things at gamit mo na lang ang kulang. Baka itong bahay na ito ang para sa iyo. Meron itong floor area na 200 square meter at lot area na 153 square meter. May gate and fence na rin. At landscape garden at may modern design exterior. May window grills and 8 CCTV cameras for added security. May 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath at isang powder room. At meron carport for 2 cars. Single attached ang property kaya may setback na lang siya sa front, isang side ng property at sa likod. Dito sa back part ng property, located ang swimming pool at may sliding door for entry and exit going inside and out of the property. At dito sa likod na rin located ang pressurized water tank at covered dirty kitchen ng house para hindi mangamoy sa loob pag nagluto. Pagpasok nga sa bahay ay bubungad sa iyo ang maluwag na living area na may wooden design tiles. Digital door lock na rin ang gamit sa main door at sa master's bedroom. Fully furnished na nga ito kaya kasama na ang mga gamit upon move-in. May enough space for a 6-seater dining table at naka-cove light ang ceiling at merong split-type aircon. May installed na rin na 5 air conditioning units at 6 na smart televisions. Sakto rin ang laki ng space ng show kitchen na may nook at 2 chairs. May kasama na rin na 2 Verner stovetop at microwave oven at 2-door refrigerator na saktong-sakto kung mahilig ka mag-bake. Sa ground floor ng bahay, located ang maid's room na may sariling toilet and bath at double-deck bed at cabinets. Sakto ang laki ng property na ito para sa lumalaking pamilya. May wooden accent design rin ang walls. Solar-powered na rin yung bahay kaya hindi mo na aalalahanin ang electricity bills. Sa ground floor rin, located ang isang powder room. Meron ng mga curtains and window blinds para anytime ay pwede mo i-open for natural lighting. Madalas nga ay zero ang bill kaya walang binabayaran ng owner ng bahay na ito kahit maraming aircons. Tapusin mo hanggang dulo para makita mo naman ang mga bedroom sa second floor. Ang stairs ay may wooden steps at hand railings na nasa around 1.2 meters width. Right after the staircase ay dito naman located ang enclosed family area or KTV area na kung saan pwede kayo magbanding ng inyong pamilya. Ito ang bedroom 1 na may double-sized bed, built-in cabinets, wall-mounted TV at split-type aircon. Ito naman ang master bedroom na may digital door lock, may king-size bed, wall-mounted TV, TV rack, split-type aircon, and may walk-in closet at own toilet and bath na may hot and cold shower para walang problema sa pagligo, mapa-summer man o sa malamig na panahon. Ito naman ang common toilet and bath sa second floor. At ito naman ang bedroom 3 na may double-sized bed, built-in cabinets, wall-mounted TV at split-type aircon. Lahat ng rooms ay may bed, television with TV rack, built-in cabinet, split-type air-conditioned unit, and LED lights sa ceiling, under the bed at sa likod ng mga TV. Meron din balcony sa likod ng family or KTV area. Clean title ang property kaya ready for transaction anytime at pwede rin i-loan sa bank. Ang exclusive subdivision na ito ay may features and amenities gaya ng main entrance with 24/7 security, rotonda, clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court, at parks and playground. Located ito sa isang exclusive subdivision sa Angeles City, Pampanga na malapit sa Koreatown at Clark International Airport, like 7.5 kilometers lang or around 14 minutes travel time, kaya naman napaka-accessible. Ako si Joanna Rose Berhan ng Greatland at tawagan mo ako kung gusto mo magpa-schedule ng property viewing. Follow, like, and share. Bye!